Alright, good evening once again, everyone. Out of the box breaks here. We're now doing break 1656, Series 1, Team Random Part 2 from the earlier case we opened. So once again, we'll randomize the participants 4 times, the NHL teams 4 times, then we will break. There's our 30 participants based on the spots that were purchased. And 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got Scully at the top. Go Habs go at the bottom. And paste. And we got all 30 NHL teams. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Tampa at the top. The Sharks at the bottom. Copy that over, and I will read them out. Printer off first. All right. Here are the team assignments for break 1656. So Scully got the Lightning, Go Habs go the Rangers, Bruins 37 the Blue Jackets, Sums has Detroit. Go Habs go the Dallas Stars, Bruins 37 Vancouver, some guy 44 the Predators. V11235, you got Boston. Upway Sports the Winnipeg Jets, Crazy Eights the Edmonton Oilers. Go Habs go with Montreal. Sens Habs has Buffalo, some guy 44 Chicago. Upway Sports with Calgary. Go Habs go the Colorado Avalanche, Crazy Eights the Coyotes. Nukchuk the St. Louis Blues, Scully with the Wild. Some guy 44 the Capitals, sends Habs with the Kings. Crazy Eights Florida, Slick Rick the Ducks, sends Habs the Flyers. Flames fan, you got the Leafs, Bruins 37 the Islanders, Linda Scout the Hurricanes. Upway Sports the Devils. WMAC 22 Ottawa, Logan's Dad the Penguins, and Go Habs go with the Sharks. We got 2 minutes for trades, guys. Go grab the sheet, and then we'll get breaking. Here we are again, guys. Give it 1 more minute. $30 seconds, and then it's break time. Last call. All right, here we go, guys. There you go. Once again, there are the team assignments. Good luck to everyone. Here we go. Box number 1, break 1656, part 2. We've got one more break tonight, guys. That is the double up. Grab your teams in that. We start with a shining star for the Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Base. We've got a young gun for the Florida Panthers, Connor Brickley. For the Philadelphia Flyers, Upper Deck Portrait, Jakub Voracek. We've got a canvas for the Sharks, Patrick Marleau. Young gun for the St. Louis Blues, Robbie Fabry. Shining Stars Blue Parallel for Dallas, Tyler Seguin. Upper Deck Portrait for the Islanders, John Tavares. Young gun for Nashville, Victor Arvidsson. Upper Deck canvas for Minnesota, Ryan Suter. For the Colorado Avalanche, Upper Deck game jersey, Semyon Varlamov. Young gun for the Calgary Flames, Emile Poirier. Sam Bennett, Upper Deck Portrait for Calgary. Shining Star for Tampa Bay, Steven Stamkos. We've got a canvas for Chicago, Jonathan Toews. We've got a young gun for the Montreal Canadiens, Mike Condon. We got a signature sensations for the Carolina Hurricanes, Victor Rask. Shining Star for Nashville, Philip Forsberg. Upper Deck Portrait for Boston, Patrice Bergeron. Young gun for New Jersey, Sergei Kalinin. Upper Deck canvas for Philadelphia, Matt Reed. On to box number 2. We've got a young gun for the Ducks, Stefan Neeson. Shining Star Blue Parallel for the Ducks, Teemu Selanne. Upper Deck Portrait for Toronto, James Van Riemsdyk. Young gun for the Blues, Joel Edmondson. Upper Deck Canvas for Nashville, Mike Fisher. Shining Star for Chicago, Jonathan Toews. Young gun for Carolina, Keegan Lowe. Upper Deck Portrait for the Penguins, Marc-Andre Fleury. Base. There you go. We got a Young Gun Canvas for Detroit, Dylan Larkin. Nice hit for the Red Wings. For the Dallas Stars, Upper Deck Game Jersey, Patrick Sharp. Young gun for Colorado, Mikko Rantanen. Portrait for the Ducks, Corey Perry. Shining Star for Philadelphia, Jakub Voracek. Canvas, Jamie Benn for the Dallas Stars. Young gun for the LA Kings, Jordan Wheel. Base. Shining Star for Montreal, Patrick Waugh. Upper Deck Portrait for the Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. Young gun for the Jets, Andrew Kopp. Final pack, box number 2. A canvas for the Blues of David Backes. All right, box number 3, break 1656. Still no McDavid in this whole case. Shining Star for the Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Base. Young gun for the Sharks, Eunice Dunsky. Upper Deck Portrait for the Sharks, Joe Pavelski. For the Washington Capitals, Upper Deck Exclusive out of 100, John Carlson. Canvas for the Islanders, Yaroslav Halak. We got a young gun for the Ottawa Senators, Matt Pumpel. Base. Shining Star Blue Parallel, Max Pacioretty for Montreal. Upper Deck Portrait for Vancouver, Ryan Miller. Young gun for Columbus, Josh Anderson. Canvas for Chicago of Duncan Keith. Young gun for the Ottawa Senators, Shane Prince. Shining Star, Philip Forsberg for the Predators. Portrait for Montreal, PK Subban. There was a nice patch in the first half, though. Young gun for the Jets, Connor Helbeck. Louis Eriksson, canvas for Boston. Upper Deck game jersey for Tampa Bay, Steven Stamkos. This is part 2 of the case, Bobby. I don't think you have a team in part 2. Part 1 is already up on our YouTube page. Young gun for the Jets, Nikolai Ehlers. Upper Deck Portrait for Nashville, Shea Weber. Shining Star for Chicago, Marian Hossa. A canvas for Florida of UC Jokinen. All right, box number 4. We want Medvedev. Where's Medvedev? Young gun, Stanislav Galiev. I think this is the one. Shining Star Blue Parallel for the Islanders, John Tavares. Getzlaf Portrait for the Ducks. Evgeny Medvedev, young gun for Philadelphia. Canvas of Ryan Nugent-Hopkins for the Oilers. Shining Star, Evgeny Malkin for the Penguins. Young Gun for the Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Crazy Eights, your collection continues to grow. Upper Deck Portrait for Washington, Alex Ovechkin. Ooh, very nice for the Ottawa Senators. Who's got Ottawa? W. Mac. We got a high gloss, 10 of 10. Cody Ceci. Now the case is getting better. We got a canvas of Ryan Kessler for the Ducks. A base pack. For Colorado, Upper Deck game jersey, Nathan McKinnon. Young Gun for Nashville, Kevin Fiala. Upper Deck Portrait for Montreal, Jacob Delarose. Shining Star for St. Louis, Vladimir Tarasenko. Canvas for Chicago, Marian Hossa. We got a Young Gun for Vancouver, Ronald Keenans. Shining Star for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Got an Upper Deck Portrait for Chicago, Patrick Kane. Young Gun for Boston of Colin Miller. And a canvas of Evgeny Kuznetsov for the Capitals. All right, moving on to the final two boxes, guys. Break 1656. We've got a double up mixer with only, I believe, a dozen left, guys, so let's fill that one as quickly as possible. We got a Young Gun for the New York Islanders, Jean-Francois Berube. Base. Shining Star Blue Parallel for the Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. Portrait for Detroit, Henrik Zetterberg. We've got a Young Gun for Pittsburgh of Daniel Sprong. Canvas for Boston, Brad Marchand. For the Montreal Canadiens, Shining Star of Max Pacioretty. We've got a base pack. Young gun for Philadelphia, Nick Cousins. Portrait, Ryan Johansson, Columbus. Canvas for Columbus of Scott Hartnell. Young gun for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Antoine Bibeau. And the product won't last much longer, though. Shining Star for the Penguins, Sidney Crosby. Portrait for Montreal, Guy Lafleur. Young gun for the Rangers, Oscar Lindberg. Canvas for Nashville, Shea Weber. For the Vancouver Canucks, Upper Deck game jersey, Ryan Miller. For the Boston Bruins, Eunice Kemppainen Young'un. Portrait for Chicago, Corey Crawford. Shining Star for Chicago, Jonathan Toews. Final pack, box number 5, in break 1656. And it's a canvas of Nicholas Backstrom for the Capitals. Alright, 6th and final box. Grab your teams, guys, in the double up. We've got a young gun of Sergei Kalinin for New Jersey. For Detroit, Shining Star Blue Parallel, Henrik Zetterberg. Portrait for the Rangers, Rick Nash. Got a young gun for Calgary, Emile Poirier. Canvas for Calgary, Kari Ramo. Base. Upper Deck game jersey for Montreal, PK Subban. 1 so far, JJ. Young gun for the Blues, Colton Parayko. Portrait for the Kings, Anse Kopitar. Johnny Gaudreau, Shining Star for Calgary. We've got a canvas of David Perron for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Shining Star for the Islanders, John Tavares. Base. Young gun for the Montreal Canadiens, Jacob de la Rose. Erik Karlsson Upper Deck Portrait for the Senators. Young gun for Calgary, Brett Kulak. Base. He's only, I think it was one exclusive, one high gloss. This whole case. Shining Star for Colorado, Joe Sakic. For the Edmonton Oilers, Upper Deck Portrait of Wayne Gretzky. Base. Final 3 packs, break 1656. A Young Gun canvas for Vancouver, Ronald Keenans. We got a Young Gun for the Coyotes, Max Domi. Final pack. And it's a canvas for the Islanders of Ryan Strome. So there you have it, guys. There's break 1656. Team Random Part 2 of Series 1. Hope you guys enjoyed it.